This song goes out to all you people hating on the MySpace YouTube page. Look at the rating, look at this motivation. I love it, I'm gonna take it as a sign, cause you took the time to write a line. But deep inside, you know you really love us too. If you didn't hate on us, then you'd have nothing to do. I really wanna thank you, so this song I dedicate to you. And I'm running to the bank because of you, man. I'm rolling down to the $1 million studio, record a verse or two, and then I gotta hit the road. You see me, I'ma follow my dreams. You can continue to do what it is you gotta do, homie. And just know, at the end of the night, I'ma be the artist sitting at the end of your spotlight. I only wanna make one big suggestion: go on and live your own life and take this as a lesson.
I wanna thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters. Thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters.
I wanna thank you for staying where you are, looking at me from afar. Now a blip on my radar. Wanna give you us for little meaning when you're speaking. It's crazy how it makes me reflect on what I'm seeking. And I heard a wise man introspect, say don't search for golden land, but learn some respect, man. He said the drama of this life is suspect, and without your disconnect I wouldn't see my reflection. So thank you from the crest of the hill I abreast, for the good and the rest. Walking through this life blessed, man, to me you're just a test, and no one needs a failed mess. I'ma do my best. I'm gonna express, not to impress, but for progress with something like a printing press. And why you stay with me to me is craziness, cause I'm the only one that benefits from our relationship.
I wanna thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters. Thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters. Man, I gotta have it, these haters ain't having it. Must be their habitat, it's such a bad habit that when they open their mouth and that bullshit flows. Hating assholes, seen you in the crowd at the shows. But you know me, I just smile and wave, because my PO's been telling me I gotta behave. So go ahead, be brave, you're cool for the second, but let's just say most of my crew's still reckless. Under the influence and we under the eye of the fakers and them haters, dog, I can't even lie. No, I'm doing something right, you mad and wanna fight, all because your little shorty told you Jayla was fly. Enough said, it's the same old story. You chose to hate me because you can't ignore me. Must suck to be you, dog, knowing I'm about to do what I'ma do, dog. I wanna thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters. Thank you for hating me and giving me the motivation to be who I wanna be. Without you, it wouldn't be no us. This song is dedicated to my haters.